it's me, Smiley Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Smiley Sarah, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be making challah, which is a kind of bread, with my mom. Yeah, that's pretty much. But before we start baking, remember to like, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So I hope you guys are ready to bake. Okay, so for the first step, you will need some yeast. This is the yeast we use. You don't have to use it. Just get any yeast, just in a packet like this, and you put in and you mix it with a cup of water. Hey guys, I forgot to put in that you put the sugar and the yeast together with the water. So don't forget to do that, please. Yep. Oh, a cup and a half. Yeah, a cup and a half. And just let it soak for 2 minutes. We already did that, so then you're gonna add 4 cups of flour gradually. So that, if you don't know what that means like teeny bit at a time. And we're
gradually, and we'll stir.
And I'll see you when I'm done. You want 2 teaspoons of salt and 1/3 cup of oil. I'm going to be doing that now. I'll tell you the next step. Of course, you guys can pause and everything. The next thing you do, as you can see, we transferred bowls because we needed a bigger one. But pretty much, if you ever made slime, which I hope you guys have, you're pretty much just kneading the slime after you mixed in all the flour. And just do that until it really looks like real dough. You will get messy once we are done with this. So I'm gonna do some kneading, and then we'll see what's after that. So here we are, we're kneading. So do you want to tell them your technique?
So I fold the dough over and then punch it down. I fold it and punch it. Fold it. That's how I knead for about 7 or 8 minutes. And you'll see it starts to get really firm like dough. It's really ready, which means it's ready to rise, not ready to bake. And so we're gonna let it rise just here at room temperature for about half an hour. And then we're gonna come back and knead it again.
So I'm back, and we let the dough rise for an hour, if you didn't know that you're supposed to do that. And then you knead it until it's a nice, good texture. But it shouldn't be too sticky, but it's not supposed to be stretchy like slime though. You just rub them in a teeny bit of flour. So, and you can make them into different little clumps and do that, and just make sure that none of them are sticky. Okay, we did it now. They're all ready. And so you're just gonna make them into 3 long braid strips so you can braid it, or you can just make it one big clump, but we're gonna braid it. So I'll come right back with you guys when we're done making the 3 long strips. So here I have 3 long strips, and if you can see at the top, you're just kind of mushing it into one. And then if you don't know how to braid, I always use the term, all of the strips want to be in the middle, so you're just kind of making them all go in the middle if you don't know how to braid. If you do, good for you, braid it. And we're making multiple challahs, but here you go, just a simple braid like that. You can stop it now. So now we braided all the challahs, and the next step, we're actually gonna put some egg yolks on top. So how you do it, beat the eggs.
One.
And then
one should be good.
We're making 3 challahs, so the recipe that we gave you is for 3 challahs, but these challahs are pretty small, or you can just make one big one probably. So here is our egg. Here, the bowl that we're gonna be, this egg is so cold. Okay, so just crack one egg and make sure that you take all the tiny little shells out. Once you're done with that, you're pretty much just gonna beat it. And if you don't know how to beat an egg, pretty simple. Just take a fork. Actually, gonna do this again. And you're just kind of like stirring it. If you ever whisked something, it's kind of like that, but with a fork. So you just want something kind of like this. So once you're done with that, there are special brushes you can use. Alright, so you're gonna need a brush just like this one. You can probably get this at a cooking store. So here's our challah, and you're just gonna dip your brush into the egg yolks or whatever, the beat eggs like this, and you're just gonna brush it on your challah. Now, don't make it too thick, but don't make it too thin, and you just want a nice layer. And so, there we go. Once you do that, you are going to bake it. How long are you baking it for? And at what degrees?
You bake it at 350 degrees.
You are going to be baking it at 375 degrees
30 to 40
for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then you will have some challah. So thank you guys for watching. I had a super fun time making the challah, even though we had to wait an hour in filming this video. And thank you. So I hope you enjoy eating your challah. Bye!